biking capital of the world, we proudly present you the Strøm City W. The most affordable and convenient woman e-bike ever made. Enjoy a world of features and functionalities. A modern urban e-bike designed for one thing and one thing only, taking you from A to B with ease and style. The flexible transportation choice gives you 5 levels of assist and makes you tailor the ride for any given situation. Strøm City W allows you to ride the city in style while adding fresh air, exercise and fun to the lifestyle of you and your loved ones. Our brand new innovative basket design with integrated lighting makes shopping and picnic a breeze with a one-click removable basket system. We have even made 25 unique test models to make sure the e-bikes are ready for production based on feedback from early riders. Support and share our project today and join our mission in making inner city commuting more sustainable and convenient. And together, we can make it happen.